Hey guys, it's Anker 4x4 and thank you for joining me on this one. We're on our way to Scotland Bottle event, March event, and I'm loaded up. But the point of this video is I'm putting a real life test to this new product that Anker came out with that they sent me. It's got a really cool feature I haven't seen on any power bank, so you're not going to want to miss this. But we basically went out to We started off about 11 o'clock in the morning yesterday, went out with Donald. I had my fridge plugged into it all day, and it performed super well. So I'm going to go into all that. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. We do everything from overlanding to gear review. We have trips on Airbnb that we post, and yeah, we have an online store you should check out. It's InkaOverlandOutfitters.com, where we sell everything from AluCap, Cook Partner stoves, Timbo Tusk, 23-0, all sorts of different awnings, recovery gear, and it's the best prices and fast shipping. So thank you again, and I'll let you get into this video. I appreciate it. So first we'll cover the specs, and I'll have more information in the description, but I just want to highlight this is a 3-in-1 portable power station with 3-mode Pro camping light. You can power up to 10 devices at once with 1600 watt output, 768 watt hour capacity. You can power everything from electric stoves, your iPhone, CPAP machines, and then it's got a 10-year long lasting power. It's a lithium iron phosphate battery with 3,000 cycles, impact resistant design. You can charge this in under an hour with hyper flash charging, and it's got an awesome Bluetooth app that you can download and control a lot of the features. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. We do everything from overlanding to gear review. We have videos in Spanish and English. This is our Defender from South Africa. We've worked on Toyotas, Jeeps, all sorts of different vehicles. And again, we're going to go over that power bank, and I really want to show you this really cool feature. We're going to go catch up with some friends today, and we're going to put this thing to the test. I'm going to charge up different things. We're going to use the battery for keeping our fridge cool. And yeah, thanks again, guys, for being here. Hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out get this channel growing. But everyone that subscribed and commented, thank you again for being here. So let's go and see what kind of adventure we get into today. Appreciate it. All right, so let's look at this new power bank. I'm going to just grab it. This was sent to me, and we're gonna go on an adventure today. But believe me, guys, when I tell you, I haven't seen this on a power bank before. This got a whole bunch of features. I'm gonna go over it, and we're gonna put it to a real world test today. But check this out. It has a built-in light that charges, and it's got other features. So I'm gonna show you all these features today, and we're gonna run our refrigerator off of it and see how it does. We're gonna go on an adventure today, and let's see how this works out for us. I think it will work out really great, and I'm really pumped to have this. So we're pretty much packed up. I got all my gear. Again, we're not camping. We're just gonna go hang out with a couple people. And then we have the fridge. We have 200 amp hours lithium battery, the Red Arc dual battery set up. So I don't really need this, but this is an idea to give you if you're starting off and want a solution. So this is very compact. I'll put all the dimensions and everything on the screen. But this here has a really cool features, but we're going to test is running the fridge off this and basically acting as if we didn't have a dual battery setup and just seeing how this works out for us. And we'll go on this trip. We'll go. I'll kind of give you a real life experience. We'll charge us some batteries. It's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We're getting ready to head out, and it's about like 70 degrees today. So we'll see real life day trip how this is working out for us. So we're gonna plug in other gear. We're gonna do all that, and this got 3 modes, I guess, and we'll go over it. All right, so it's about 12:30, and we got here to the River Rock. I've never been here before. It's an off-road trail, so it's part of the adventure. Let's see how this goes. And Donald and everyone should be up here already. I'm not gonna wheel, but we're gonna check out like their Jeeps and stuff. They kind of do more rock crawling, more extreme stuff, so this would be pretty dope. But so far I'm liking the place. Supposedly they're gonna all be camping here, and yeah. All right, guys. So I'm here with Donald at Off-Road Toys. They're here at River Rock, and he's pretty much brought out his crew. So I'm still working on this Anker battery. It's been working really well with my fridge. So we got the fridge going on here. Got some food in there, and just taking out the Defender for the day. And yeah, we're about to hit the trails. This is gonna be a good event. Here, so Donald just lost his belly button ring. He's trying to find it. We're all trying to find it. All right, guys. So we're here with Donald, Off-Road Toys, and I mean he's got the equipment to do this kind of stuff, but
I was here like 5 years ago.
I've never been. Oh my God! Look at that.
6 or 5 years ago. That's the last time I came here. We'll see what.
All right, so we're gonna do this trail. I'm gonna post some pictures, and then yeah, I mean it's such a fun event. This was about like 2 hours, an hour, less than 2 hours out of Atlanta.
That's a good thing. It's a good park. You get to camp, and it's not far from where we live.
Yeah.
You don't have to drive 4 hours for something really small. That's the thing.
All right, so I got out of the Jeep, and you can see all the Jeeps here. And Donald's about to do. Look at this crazy step. And just to give you an idea, look at me compared to this step. Piece, maybe a little bit more. And just to show you, he's got it locked and everything.
Almost.
Alright guys, so we finished up with Donald. We were going to go spend some time with Carlos, but it's about 3 hours away and it's getting dark. So I'm going to go over how the battery worked out on this trip, but really it did really well. And then we'll do a little deeper dive into it on it. Alright, so it's about 11 o'clock in the evening, and we wrapped up the event. It's at 69%. It's pulling about 30 watts. So I did use it for the fridge primarily. I plugged up a couple things, showed off the different light modes with the light So that only pulls about 2 watts. So it's kind of real life experience with this. This is pretty bright light. So we'll keep using this. I really like that. And yeah, it's got a whole bunch of features, so I'm just glad that it kept my fridge cold. Alright guys, so it's day 2. We're going to do Scotland bottle, and the cooler's been on all night. It has been in the high 50s, so I don't think the compressor needed to work that much. But let's just take a look at this battery life. So 63%. You know, still blown away by this. We're going to use it today and see how it goes for us. And so far, I'm liking this a lot.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Atchison. We're here today at Scottles and Bottles. It's our 3-year event, 3-year anniversary event. We've been doing this since August of 2020. And just a free event for family, pets, anyone that's an off-road or overland enthusiast. We welcome you out. We have our events usually at Sweetwater Tap Room in downtown Atlanta or here at Four Wheel Parts. It's completely free. We do a couple charity events every year. So we've got a lot of great big time sponsors that help out. All the money for the raffles that go directly to the charity that attends the event. And we're just glad to be a part of the off-road overland community here in the Southeast, and hope we keep growing. You can follow us at Scottles and Bottles, all one word, on Instagram, and all social media on Facebook as well.
Hey, so we're here at Scotland Bottle, and we're walking around. I wanted to just point out this event. Friend Corey right here. Where can we follow you, Corey?
CoreyWebbTravels.com.
There we go. And I'm gonna have another video for the Grenadier, so I'll probably put that in the link. But the main point of this video again is we're testing out that new Anker battery system they sent out. So let's go see how it's working out. This was a Land Rover event that they put together. You could see there's a Trek Land Rover, and so the Anker battery I had on since yesterday, and it started off at like 86%, I think it was, and so we're still at 54 for running the whole day, and we've been running different accessories. So this is kind of just to show you a little bit about this battery system, and I really enjoy it, and we'll go over the specs and all the details to it. All right, guys, so we made it back home. Again, the test for this was, can this be a viable option for a weekend battery system to run a fridge, run your accessories? And so far, we ran this all weekend, pretty much from Saturday, 11 o'clock in the morning, till it's about 7 o'clock in the evening Sunday. Had it outside with the fridge, powered up stuff, and we went from 86% to 54%. Highly recommend this product. We'll go into deeper dives. So thank you again for checking it out, and yeah.